Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes, VVV. Yep, today we're up 25.07%. Can you believe that? In one day. Old season is here. Yes, it is indeedy. So, what is going to happen next? Well, I can see a rally base. That is the purple right there, and rally. It's not completed for today, but if we assume it is strongly competes today, then the RSI is oversold. It's at a 91 right now. I've been trying to work out how it's gonna resolve itself, bring the RSI down, and it looks like that we have a buy zone right there between 280 and 242. So I'd expect the price to come down just as a correction, and then continue upwards. If you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.